Hello YouTube family, how you doing? It's Abdul here, and in this video I am going to teach you how to create a page for your brand. Okay, so if you have a business or if you have a registered company and you wanted to create a page on Facebook for your business, in this video I am going to teach you how to create a page for your business or for your brand. So if this is the first time on my page, kindly do me a favor by subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell notification icon so that I can be notified each time I drop a new video. So with that said, let's quickly look at how we can create a page for our website or our company or whatsoever reasons you wanted to create your own page for. So the first step you have to take is to log into your Facebook account. So on your Facebook account, then you are going to see a page here. Okay, you're going to see a page here. So all you need to do right now is to just click on the page, and then if you already have a page on your account, it will show you the available page, the one that you have created before. As you can see here, these are the page that I have on this particular account. So to create a new page, all you need to do is to come down here, and then you will see create new page. Okay, just click on create new page and then name your page here. Okay, so whatever that you want your page to whatever that you want to name your page, you can just enter the words there. Let's say I want to name this page as best or online hustle online hustle. So then select the category for your page. Then let's see if we can use something like okay, so I would like to select, you can select any category that match your business or your online business or whatsoever you are into. But for the purpose of this training, I'm going to select web designer. Okay, and then put the description, your website descriptions. So just put the description of your website, whatsoever your page is all about or your website is all about. Just put the description here. Let's say on this the description of this page is going to be learn how to start a successful online business. Good. Let's say that is my description. Then you're going to see create button here, or you can upload an image here. Let's say I want to upload an image, or no, or you can just click on create page here. Okay, create page. Okay, created. Now you can add an image. Okay, online hustle was created. Now you can add an image to your page and add more details. So right now our page has been created. All we need to do right now is to just scroll down so we can add an image. Okay, you can add an image. So to add an image, if you have your logo, or if you have your logo, or if you wanted to use an image, any type of image that you wanted to use, you can just click on this. Let me just download one image from Google so that we can, okay, let's say so let's say I wanted to use something like this on my page. You could just download the image from Google, you know. Then go back to the place again, and then click on add image. Okay, click on add image. Then let's go to download. Then click on the image and upload it here. So right now, as you can see, we have successfully added an image to our page. Sorry. So we can scroll down again to add a cover. So if you already have a cover, and if you don't have a cover, let's say I want to add the image that we just downloaded as a cover. So you can just click on the add image and then upload the image, and then you can see right now we have our cover and we have our image ready. So once you're done, just click on save. Good. Now we have our page created. Right now we are going to do little adjustment here so that the page could look attractive. Okay, so to do that, all we need to do is to we can add a button to our page. You can add a button here. So you can add a contact, you can add send me message, you can link it with your WhatsApp. Okay, but I'm going to add a contact message so that people can be able to contact us, so you can add your website link here. So once people click on contact, it's going to take them to your website, okay, where they can contact you. So it's going to take them to where they can contact you, okay. Good. Right now the button is here already. The button is here. You can see contact us, okay. And then another thing I would want to do is to go to under this area, go to okay, edit page info. You will see it here. Okay, click on edit page info. So here is where you are going to edit your page. So you can change the name again, so you can add a username, but right now I'm not sure if the username is going to work, because we just created the page. So I'm not sure the username is going to work. I'm not sure the username is going to work. Okay, this one is not even available. Let's see. Okay. Okay, the username is available, but let's see. I'm not sure if it's going to work. Let's see. Right, okay, we have selected our categories, and so the next thing we have to do right now is to add our phone number and then add our email address. So I would like to add my business email address. So if you don't know how to create business email address for a website, I'm going to leave a link below in the description so that you can watch the video and to know how you can create a business email for your website. Okay, then enter your website here. Good. So now we are done. Okay, so right now we have added our information and it is saved automatically. Okay, the username is working. Okay, it is saved automatically. So now we are done. So let's go back to home again. Good. So now our page has a username. So guys, as you can see, these are our page, and we can use it to we can now use it to run ad on Facebook, or we can, if we wanted to post anything, we can just go to this area, create a post, and then write whatever we wanted to write. How to start a successful online business. Then add an image. Then add this image here. Good. And then so we could post it. Good. Right now we've had our first post. You can see here, look at the post here. Okay, so if you want to post another one, you could just go to this. You will see this create post. You click on it, then write whatever you wanted to write. Let's say good. Right, so write whatever you wanted to write and add your image. You can just download image here, or if you have your image or whatever you wanted to use, you can just add them. Okay, then add the image here. Click on this place to add your image, then select the image and wait for it to upload, then click on post. Good. Right now we've had our second post. As you can see here, look at it, we've had our second post. Okay, so that is how to create a Facebook page and make a post. So in the next video I am going to teach you how to create a Facebook ad that converts. Okay, so you have not subscribed. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do now so that you can be notified each time I drop a new video.